Hello, my name is Shio. Welcome to the second part of this video. Now this is where I'm going to install the WordPress. So if you remember the last part, this is where I stopped on the first part. So I'll click on my service. For you just doing it for the first time, you just have to, you see only one in that service, because I have a lot of website I'm currently hosting. That's why on that site, that's why you can see all of these things. So let's go look for the new one I just got, which is B. Okay, so here 3. Okay, yeah, B Africa. So if you want to click on this B Africa, don't click on the B Africa, I mean the word, just give it a space here, like here, click here. I want to go to the C panel to install WordPress. Then after installation of WordPress, then we'll move to the next one. Here I'll click on C panel. Okay, so from here scroll down to software. Here, so I'll come to this one, Softaculous Apps Installer. I'll click on this one. Then I'll click on Install WordPress. Now here it's very important. Now this is the latest version, 5.4. that's the latest version of WordPress. And then here you can select https://www. Yeah, then here we remove this one, so you won't have something like you're having it twice. Okay, doesn't matter. No, site name B Africa. Then description, like let's say so yeah, I put organic product as a description, so you can put anything as your description, so depends on your website. Now admin name, username, so I can say B Africa. Password, okay, that's my password. Here I can say info@bafrica. Then I can leave that English, leave it, then leave the rest. You can pick any of this theme, we'll change it, then install. Wait for it to install. So once you finish installing, then it says congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now WordPress has been installed, WordPress has been successfully installed at blah 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 blah, blah and this. So I can check it out by clicking on this one. Okay. I know where they're from. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, this will be the end of installation, WordPress installation. So see you in the other video.